So, hey, my God is good. Oh. Play like that, okay? When you're playing the My God is good for beginners. See, so I'm adding the 7 in place of the 5, okay? So this right here I'm playing is a saw. I'm playing the saw as the kick for everything, okay? 1 4 1 no 1 4 1 5 no sorry Jesus 1 4 5 4 1 4 7 4 1 4 7 4 7 4 1 4 7 4 everything on double double, everything on double double, everything on double double. See, that's it. So that's how you do it. You think about the progression, then you find something to play around it. You always know that you can replace the 4 with the 6, and you can replace the 7 with the 5 with the 7. Okay. You can replace the 4 with the 6 always in makossa, and you can always replace the 5 with the 7. So I'm gonna play makossa without playing the 4 and without playing the 5. I'll play the 6 and the 7. So I'll do so everything on double double, everything on double double, everything on double double. You see, that's how you do it. So you find a groove first and then just add a saw. Let's say I want to play this groove, this other groove here. Everything on double double, everything on double double. And And there are many ways you can do it, but that's the most basic way that you can, you know, just for everybody to be able to play, you know. Find the groove off beat. And then you add the saw. And then replace the saw with the 7. Here you go. So that's how you do it. You just replace stuff, and then that's how you play makossa. Next question. I'm waiting for questions. Waiting for more progressions and questions. If there's a progression that you're struggling with, just comment it. I will go over it.